All right, so this is problem 426, problem 26 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. This is a effective annual rate or EAR calculation. We're going to do it on BAII Plus Professional, and then we're going to do it in Excel. So Yolanda's Bank advertises an investment that pays 6% compounded monthly. What is the investment's annual percentage rate or APR? So that is a simple part of the question, 6%. In a second, we'll do the calculation here. First, we're going to go to the calculator, and let's do this. All right, so so when you hit second and I conversion, that'll get you to the EAR calculation register. So NOM is the APR. Would make more sense to make it APR, but anyway, they didn't ask me. So 6%, enter, and then you go up, and compounding periods per year is 12, enter, and you hit, go to next up again, and you get the EFF, which is actually the effective rate of interest or effective annual rate of interest. Compute 6.17%. So you can use the arrows. You basically goes in a circle and get to any register you need to change. So if we want to do it in Excel, it's equal open 1 plus the rate, and since it's monthly compounding, we divide by 12, and then we take that to the 12th power, so that's curate 1, 2, and then minus 1, and that is 6.17%. So it's 0.0617, and I have this formatted to percent with 2 decimal places, but that is all there is to calculating effective annual rate on your calculator and in Excel.